all my plans for the day, man. It's just, dude, I was in the shower right now, right? We're supposed to get up early this morning and go pick up the rest of that rock. I shut the shower off and I still hear the water running. I'm like, what the hell? I look out the window. I'm like, Braven! State of emergency, man! Dude, we had drip, like, look, all this stuff was out back. Like, I still have tools out there I gotta go get. But it stopped raining now, I think, yeah. What the hell, bro? Just rained long enough to mess everything up. Good Lord. Dude.
At least you know the rocks are gonna be in there.
Yeah.
I go through the stomper right now.
No, I wet it last night and it sets down in there pretty good. But we needed to go get the rest of the rock, man. This completely ruins my plans, to be straight up with you guys. So my plan was I need to go and pick up the rest of the rock with the trailer, get back, spread the rock and stuff, because I want to take all the wood off of the trailer, and I'm going to use that wood for another project that we're going to do on the channel. It's going to be a dope little Saturday project, you know. But now I can't tear apart the trailer to do my project because I need the trailer to go and pick up the rock, but I can't go pull. I probably could, but we'll probably have to wait till later. It's probably going to clash with Braven's plans because, you know, he's like a freaking YouTuber now.
Yeah.
Well, I got stuff to do, bro.
I got
stuff to do.
I don't have any plans.
I'm kidding, but
as long as I have footage, I'm good.
Jesus, dude, all the tools are all wet. I wasn't expecting this, like, at all. It hasn't shown any signs of rain, bro. No, and I mean, it was coming down, like, hard. It's probably gonna do it again. Shout out to all the people, like, in Florida and stuff that got affected by that hurricane, and you know, your lives have been changed. I feel bad for complaining about our little bit of rain right now, but yeah, it was unexpected, man. We had tools and drills and everything out there that I don't want to be ruined. Whenever you really put it in perspective, there's a lot of people that completely lost their houses and stuff just recently because of a storm, you know. And I'm over here complaining about my tools getting wet, but I apologize if anybody who had to live through that is watching this and seeing me complain about this petty shit. Either way, it just messed up my plans. So now we got to figure out what to do today. Alright guys, well, the rain is kind of let up, man, and the sun is starting to poke out. I mean, it's still very cloudy. It's probably going to rain again later. But we got the trailer all loaded up, got all the wheelbarrows and all that stuff all loaded up. We're just gonna head out and try to hurry up and go get the rest of that gravel. We just gotta get it done, bro, because it's something I need to get done, and it's holding me back from tearing all that wood off of the trailer. I'm not gonna record any of it right now. I'm actually gonna go ahead and throw up a video that I posted for my Patreon a few days ago. I'm gonna share that with you guys just so you guys have a little bit of an update on what's going on with the build and with Braven's YouTube channel. But yeah, we're gonna go grab this gravel, and whenever we get back, we got some more stuff we got to get done around here. What up, Patreon? I told you guys the other day that I recorded a video that I was going to be posting up on here showing you guys the new secret vehicle. It's not really a secret, it's just not ready for the channel, but also we have kind of changed plans with it. I'll tell you guys about it here at the end of this video, but we're about to pull it up right now and you guys will be able to finally see what it is. Bro, this thing's heavy. You know that?
Yeah, I can feel it, man. Yeah, I got double that I put in this.
That thing weighs a lot more than a Civic. Yeah, dude, it's a CRV. I have never owned one of these things myself. I've always liked them. They're freaking cool little SUVs. Well, some plans have changed with it, and I actually giving it to Braven. Well, I'm not giving it to Braven. We basically, what we're doing is, you know, Braven started his own YouTube channel, and he needs content for it, you know what I'm saying? I bought this vehicle, and I'm gonna be straight up with you guys, as a flip. This was gonna be our next flip vehicle. But you guys know how many projects I have. I don't really have time to work on it. And it's a win-win, bro. It'll give Braven something to make content on. His YouTube channel is gonna be based around him starting his business and stuff, but you know what? It's his YouTube channel. If he wants to do pressure washing and business stuff and have a car build going at the same time, then that's what he's gonna do, you know what I'm saying? But dude, this thing is 100% stock, bro. Like completely all original. There's a little bit of a story behind it. The dash is kind of torn apart. It did have a stereo system in it, but that is now gone. And it had an aftermarket exhaust system on it, in which that is also now gone. But other than that, dude, it's all original. And it's also missing a back window. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and let Braven do his video. He's gonna shoot a video on this, kind of cleaning it up for his channel. I figured I may as well just go ahead and wait until he's done, because then I can show it to you guys all cleaned up and I don't have to do it. Dang, are you freaking done yet? Kind of lost daylight there, buddy. This is the same day that we did all the running around, the shopping and stuff. That was actually in the video that was actually posted on YouTube. So yeah, we had to take a break. We had to take a break. We had to go running around, do some shopping. But bro, dude, look at that carpet, man. I swear to God, that carpet is brand spanking new. And like the whole thing looks like that. Okay, there's a little bit of dirtiness over here on the driver one. Yeah, you could tell this thing spent a long time of like it had a one-person driver. It wasn't like, you know, wife and kids inside of this thing, because this thing is clean, bro. It's crazy how good a condition these seats are in. All right, so he is finally done. But yeah, man, this thing, it's got a lot of potential, dude. I'm actually really stoked about it. Like, that carpet looks brand new. Actually, most of the interior, like all the seats are literally flawless, dude. Dude, this CRV is really dope. So aside from all the obvious cosmetic problems this thing has, it's also got, you guys can see that right there, that is a window in the block. Braven spent the day going ahead and getting this thing cleaned up, mostly because whenever you clean something like this up, it really helps with your motivation to kind of work on it, right? Whenever it was all covered in dust and dirt, the inside was all cluttered and nasty, you look at that thing, you don't even want to work on it. But now it's all cleaned up and it looks halfway decent, you know, you kind of have a little bit of incentive, like, yeah, let's get this thing going. So anyhow, basically the plan for this is it has a blown engine. We're going to swap the engine out on it, get the thing running. We want to clean it up. The paint is shot. It needs a good buff. Body isn't in perfect condition, but it's all complete. So I think after it gets all buffed up and we kind of restore some of this plastic and stuff, it's going to have a really nice appearance. As far as interior, there's a lot of stuff we need to go and get from the junkyard, because the dash was kind of torn apart. The dash is in really great shape, but it's missing some things, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna run to the junkyard, try to find as much of that stuff as we can to get this all complete and in working order. There's also little things that it needs, like there was a spare tire cover on it, that, you know, the factory CRV one, which is just dope because the whole thing is stock. We want to get another one of those, replace it. Obviously a rear window. This trim piece over here is missing. Just all that kind of little stuff, man, that needs to be replaced. We need to hunt down just to make this thing complete. So whenever we get to that point, we'll be able to just throw it up and try to make a profit off of it. That's what it's all about. But anyhow, guys, this was basically just showing you guys the car. I wanted to get it cleaned up so we know what our starting point is, you know what I'm saying? So from here on out, man, it's just gonna be a hunt for parts and to get this thing complete. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do smash the like button, throw all your comments down below. We have an all-wheel drive CRV. What's up? Peace. And we're back, because homies don't know how to act. And we're the Max, unloading the trailer in the back with a stack, a rock. My homies like them dumber. We ought to get them smarter. Baby, take my order.
I'm gonna run to Cuba, just like my name is Quack.
The only shark that swims in here, no water. Got your daughter doing things you don't think she oughta. Bro, we're back with the rock. Holy crap, look at this. It's a coming.
She's not gonna be nice to us today.
No, this is gonna be a storm, bro. I know. Over there, it's like la 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 la. What's the dad from Family Guy?
Peter Griffin?
Yeah, the Peter Griffin sound. Yeah. Ow. 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 Yeah, it's definitely coming. Good Lord. A couple seconds later.
This is awkward.
Cam back. Oh,
yeah,
great, bro.
yeah.
Now we have two YouTubers in the same house.
How does this work? I can't put my camera like that.
Yeah, you can't.
Yeah, no, let's like stop. Bro, look at that.
Dude, I know. Hey, don't touch my window. Freaking crazy. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Bro, this is deep, bro. This is deep, bro. Oh my god. Alright, I gotta get over. We gotta beat this water. What is up, baby? What's up? What is up? You having fun out here? You big old sweetheart. You're a big old sweetheart. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, there's my baby. There's my baby. You don't ever get on the camera very much, huh? You're too shy and bashful. I just rub my belly. Rub my belly. Rub my belly. This is Nina, by the way. Nina. Alright, super exciting. We have a bunch of gravel to unload. But hopefully this right here will be enough that we can go up to the booth and then come down and then finish off up to the gate. And if it's not enough, then I'll end up having to find some more gravel from somewhere, but at least we got a good start. Alright. What's up, dude? What's up, man? What's going on, man? Did you lose your rock or what's up, man? Here. I found your rock. It's right here. Look, here it is. Look, that's it. That's it. Oh my god, bro. Look. Go get it. I don't know what he'd do without me. I'm the one who always has to find his rock. Hey, look who we got. Look who we picked up. Do it for old time's sake. Do it for old time's sake.
Look, I don't even know. No.
I like turtles. Go ahead, come on. You like turtles.
Yeah,
Are we gonna see more?
You're gonna see me on the videos.
That's a little zoomed in, bro.
Still trying to figure out my costume,
That's
so
better.
don't mind me for Halloween.
Are we gonna see Hannah more on videos?
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah, we're gonna see Hannah more on Deadbeat Garage. You know, she's coming back at you.
Yeah, yeah, she's gonna help us shovel some rock around and stuff like that. What's wrong, man? You know what's funny? If she gets over her whole like camera shy shit, she's actually a lot more entertaining than Braven and I together.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real. That girl's a nut, bro. Look at her. She's hiding behind a tree now.
A nut.
A nut?
Yeah, she was.
I like turtles.
I was a nut too.
All right, we're almost done, man. I think I would really like a little bit more gravel, but it's all good, man. This got us started. It's damn near done. Like I want to bring, like we kind of have this shape right here in. I would like to bring this probably a little bit tighter and bring it out a little bit more. Out here on this far end. So we're kind of trying to keep this a little bit in this way because of how little rock we have. But of course, I mean, this is lined up with the door right now, but I would much rather bring it like further out here, like lined up with the gate, you know what I'm saying? And then I think back there towards the gate area, the rock is gonna start getting a little thin. We're running out, man. I mean, what can you do? But anyhow, we're gonna finish getting this last little bit spread out, and then I'm gonna smush it all into the ground with a Suburban.
And we're gonna party.
Party? Then we're gonna eat something. I'm freaking starving.
I'm starving. What's today?
Today?
Saturday.
Taco sounds good to me. That's what we had last night. Alright, we got this rock smushed down as much as I'm going to be able to. I do need to kind of go over it with a rake. I'm going to wait till it kind of dries up a little bit out here. We had a lot of rain and this is like crazy muddy. So anyhow, now what we're going to do is go ahead and get this frame moved out. I want to get the cab and the front end of the truck into the booth. We're going to be working on those pieces next. We're not working on them today. I'm just getting it set up because we need to get the cab and the frame out of the way because we're going to be putting something else up there on the pad to get worked on. whip, bro. Good Lord.
Oh, baby Jesus.
Hey, bitch.
Coming from far behind.
Hannah, it was Hannah, bro. She got it.
No, she can't get it. There ain't no way we were gonna get it.
I know, y'all guys know.
Alright guys, we have gotten as much work done today as I think that I'm capable of doing, and we're gonna go get something to eat because I'm starving. I still gotta put the trailer in the backyard, but we got the rock picked up, got it thrown down, got the frame out here. You guys know we have a lot of work to do to that thing coming up. I still haven't even taken those damn parts back to AutoZone. Gonna start prepping all this stuff, getting it ready to get primered. And we got the CRV out here because Braven's gonna start pulling the engine. We gotta get the engine pulled out of this thing so we can get the new engine put in it. But of course, Braven's gonna be documenting that on his channel. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to Braven's channel, check the link in the description down below and it'll take you straight there. Smash the subscribe button, bro. I mean, if you guys enjoy the content, of course. So I don't wanna make you do anything you don't wanna do. I know Braven's kind of boring sometimes. Little rughead. What the hell? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's little short Sunday video. I say short video. I feel like it's gonna be like a 10-minute video, but I need food in my life. Peace out. See you guys on Monday.